Last week, I had a clerk's hearing at the New Bedford District Court for a client who was charged with filing false information on a firearms identification card. What happened was, my client has an FID card, has a gun, and he applied for a job with the New Bedford Police Department, and he put down a different address. What was actually going on was my client has lived at his parents' house for most of his life, still uses that as his mailing address, is there every day, but had a girlfriend that he moved out with. So this was not a situation where my client was committing any sort of fraud or doing anything wrong or malicious. Certainly people out there sometimes just use one address, even though you could make an argument that's not really where they're living. I was able to convince the clerk magistrate that there was no harm here, there was no foul, my client had no criminal record, and it didn't make any sense to give him a criminal record over something like this, which is much more of a misunderstanding or a clerical error rather than an actual crime. And the clerk magistrate agreed. If you've been charged with a crime and you need help, give us a call at 781-817-6332.